I want to thank everybody who came today, and especially I want to acknowledge our 01 leaders that are here.
Yes.
Jun Fornorles, from Davao, Lolong.
Lolo.
Where's Lolong? There, Lolong. Here's Lolong. From Davao also. Dokmon, nasa si Dokmon, yung gwapo namin, ano, si Rowan. At yung aking favorite. Wala kayo mag-selos, lahat kayo favorite ko. Okay. And also, I would like to acknowledge our new friends, especially the ones from, nasan si Bai? Bai Marietta from Iligan. Winnie? Alright. Chin.
From Dipolog.
From Dipolog.
Where?
Yes, ang dami namin galing sa probinsya. Welcome to Mio. And most especially, yung aking daily na friends na nandito palagi, aming mga distributors are always here.
Yes.
Siyempre, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung staff namin who've been working so hard.
Alright!
Talagang walang tulugan yan. Hanggang alas 2 kagabi, nagsiship pa sila sa probinsya. Kaya na-late yung isa dito na mag-open na sana si Diamond. Special mention. Nga, si Melissa, si June. Para makilala niyo sila, please come forward. Diamond! Eto si Diamond, yung inaaway ninyo, nagbubok ng inyong tickets. Si June, halika. Si June, yung naglilista ng, wala kang ng kwan ngayon. Cargo nyo. Actually, he's our marketing support. Nasan si si Rema?
Rema!
Yung tagagawa ng payout nyo, checks nyo. Yan. At, of course, I would like also to acknowledge yung ibang board of directors ng company. Jules, please. Yung IT group namin. Si Jules is one of our IT group. Si Arvin. Nasaan si Arvin? Si Arvin. Nasaan si JR? JR! All the way from Davao. He's not only our part of our IT, siya rin yung aming in charge doon sa Davao.
Yeah.
At of course, si Jingle yung aming and si Doc Ron, yung ating medical director. Hindi na Maraming salamat sa inyo. Actually, I couldn't have done these things without you. So far, kulang pa tayo. Yung ating Mio logo, hindi pa umiilaw because they were not able to finish it last night. And our logo also is not complete from outside dahil hindi kami pinayagan kaagad ng administration to put it out. I just got the permit yesterday. And hopefully, we have a lot of things coming. By the way, I asked also one of the dealers of Kia to bring a Rio sample so you can view it today.
Yes.
They will bring it here. Yung ating promotion, yes, probably some of you may test drive it. We are planning to come out with the details. Siguro next week nandiyan na yung formal details ng ating campaign for a car.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm bringing in makita niyo yung sample ng isang type ng kotse na i-run natin sa promo. Alright? Hopefully, we have more to come. Nakita ni Doc Ron ito. This was a promo for NB before, which I imported from Japan yung face and then had it made here. This is the only one of its kind. We made 50 of this. Maybe we can have something else similar to this.
Swarovski.
Yes, it's Swarovski actually. It's a Swarovski watch. So, hopefully we can have a lot of other promos within the next few months. And thank you so very much. I hope everybody will become Mayor.
Millionaires.
Yes.